You didn't bother.
We're about 13,400 feet up. Came from there. It's really hard to breathe. We're getting there. Like 30 minutes from the top-ish. Wow. The clouds are coming!
This is sick, dude. Oh my god.
It's 5:30 a.m. We just woke up.
Wow.
We can see some mountains.
Wow. Wow.
Ooh. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Dude, honestly, it's just another big Inca ruin that we've seen.
Yeah, excellent. Great job. Okay. All right.
Treacherous as hell. YMPG.